If you need to close your Revolut account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section, usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the account closure option. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option for Close Account or Delete Account. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Follow the prompts. The app will guide you through the steps necessary to close your account. This may include confirming your identity and acknowledging any outstanding balances or transactions. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After following the prompt, you will be asked to confirm your decision to close the account. Review any final information and confirm your choice to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Revolut account will be closed. Make sure to check for any final notifications or confirmations from Revolut regarding the closure.